to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 3 boys and a military spouse, and today we are doing a busy mom day in the life. I have some errands to run. I have to go do some returns. I have a pair of shorts and a shirt that I bought from the Express sale like a month and a half ago. I'm reaching that like point where it's like you have to return it, otherwise you can't return it anymore. But I have a pair of shorts and a shirt that I just didn't love once I got it. I bought it from a sale online, so I'm gonna go to Express and return them today. And then I also have an Amazon return, so I'm gonna stop by the UPS store. And then I think I'm gonna stop at Old Navy while I'm over there, and maybe even Target, because I'm gonna be in the area, and why not? Yes. No, you call me mom, silly. But yeah, so we just have some errands to run, and we'll see where the rest of the day really takes us. And yeah, welcome to my channel if you're new. I hope you choose to click that subscribe button and stick around. Let's go do some returns.
I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why
We are back at the house now. That was kind of a short trip. I went to Express and returned those clothes. I went to UPS and returned the handles, which I'll have to show you guys the new ones whenever I go downstairs. And then I went to Old Navy to see if I could find any shorts for the boys, because I need shorts that have like the drawstring that actually work. And because Grayson is skinny and tall, so I went there to see if they had anything on clearance or whatnot, but they were totally wiped out. There was like nothing shorts wise there, so that was a bust. But yeah, so that's really all we did while we were out, and now we're back at the house. I'm gonna cook dinner in a minute. By the way, the knob situation, unfortunately I was not able to get the same knobs because I could only find them in that one size. I could not find them in any different sizes, which was unfortunate because I really liked those knobs, but whatever. So I got different ones that still complement the piece better than the black ones did, and they're super cute. They're not the same, so it's a little discouraging just because, you know, once I set my mind on something, I'm like, I set my mind on it and that's what I want. Like, that's the vision I have. So it is a little bit discouraging for that factor, but the ones I got still look really good. So let's go downstairs. I will show you guys those knobs, and then we are going to make dinner. I have to empty the dishwasher and like clean up a bit too, but yeah, we got to go downstairs and make dinner. I really don't want to make dinner though, I'm not gonna lie, because they recently opened up a place called Seasons of Tokyo. It used to be called Seasons of Japan, but they changed the name for some reason, and it is so delicious. It's basically like to go, like hibachi and sushi. So good, so stinking good. And I know they recently opened it right by my house, and I really want to go get that because it just sounds delicious. And honestly, a car ride by myself sounds nice, so I don't know. Let's see if I can talk Chris into it.
Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, hey. We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need
We are all done eating pizza. I decided to just go with pizza for dinner. I was gonna cook tilapia, but honestly, I just really did not want to have that much work ahead of me. Figured pizza was quick, easy, and easy cleanup. So, by the way, let me know in the comments down below who eats their pizza with ranch. Chris thinks I'm disgusting. Me and Colby love it. Let me know in the comments if you're a pizza and ranch eater. But now we're gonna clean up the downstairs, get everything nice and spruced up for tomorrow morning to come down to a nice clean kitchen and go upstairs and get these kids ready for bed and just hang out. So let's get that done so we can relax.
for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what. 'Cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay, if you stay, oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
Everyone's in bed and it's time for me to take a shower and get comfortable and watch some TV. Chris and I have been watching Only Murderers in the Building. Is that what it's called? With Selena Gomez on Hulu. We recently started watching it about a week ago and we like binged it last week. Like every night when the kids went to bed, we would watch like 2 episodes. It's so good. It's so good. But we started watching that and we're gonna watch it a little bit tonight now that the kids are in bed. But I wanted to come on here and chat for a little bit before we do that. So a few things changing. If you didn't know, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know this, but I started a new account on Instagram for like home decor, just because I know that not everybody who follows me now on my Instagram likes that type of stuff, because that's more like the Instagram now is like more of like a personal, like motherhood content type of stuff, and not everybody likes the home decor stuff. So I figured I would just start a new Instagram and dedicate that to home decor and like makeovers and stuff like that, because I love doing that kind of stuff. And I've always hoped that, you know, it would get picked up on YouTube, which if you're not a YouTuber, the way YouTube works is kind of, so when you do things on YouTube, YouTube kind of decides what you're going to be, right? Like, and what it's going to push. On this channel, it's mostly vlogs, which I'm not mad about. But the makeovers don't even do usually as good as my vlogs do. And I was hoping that they would get pushed so I could do vlogs and makeovers over here. But because they're not getting pushed, because, you know, they're like I said, they're not even doing as good as my vlogs. So I'm just going to stick with what YouTube wants to push on this channel. And vlogs are something I've always enjoyed doing. So I'm going to keep doing that, but I'm going to put all of like my makeover and like refreshes and home decor stuff on that Instagram. And I'll like share when I go shopping in stories. I'll share like, you know, hauls, or even just like what I find at the store, or if there's any sales or anything, I'll go ahead and share that stuff. But it's really hard to film like a makeover video or a refresh video, especially if it involves like painting and like redoing furniture and all that stuff. It's really hard to film all of that stuff and then edit it and then like post it and everything. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. And if I switch it over to the Instagram account, it's a lot easier. And I can do it in real time, which I really enjoy. Like, I don't have to wait. I can show you in stories as I'm doing the process and as I'm working on it, show you in stories, and then do like a reveal as soon as it's done, you know? You don't have to wait for me to like get all the footage together, edit the video, just to see like the process and everything. So I feel like it'll be way more satisfying doing it over there too. And then on top of it, like, don't get me wrong, I'm passionate about, like, this is kind of like my passion account, you know? I'm passionate about home decor. I'm passionate about like room makeovers and refreshes and stuff like that. Like, I would be doing this stuff regardless if it was, like, I don't do it just for YouTube. I don't do it just for Instagram. I would still be doing this stuff. But at the same time, it's double the work when you're making a video out of it. It's a little bit harder when you're doing like Instagram stories and stuff, but it's still not nearly as hard as when you're trying to get the right angles and film everything and then voiceovers and then editing and stuff. It's just a lot of work. And if it's not gonna be beneficial for me to do it, it's not really worth me doing in a video form. So I hope you understand that. So if you have Instagram, come on over and follow me. The name on there is Cookie Cutter Upgrade. I'll also I'll link it in the description box down below. I'll try and remember to pin a comment with the link to it too as well. But yeah, so I'm going to put all that stuff over there. This will be pretty much vlogs and routines, maybe a haul every now and then, but for the most part, this is going to be mainly vlogs on this channel. And then of course I have my cleaning channel, but I'm really excited to isolate that, you know, topic and do it in one spot. I'm really excited to do that because I'm very passionate about stuff like that. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm very passionate about, you know, things like that. So I'm just really excited for this new journey. And because it is a passion project, it's not so much like, I'm not too worried about what happens or how fast it happens really, because it's something I'm so passionate about. So with that being said, I hope you all understand and I hope that makes sense. And yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for choosing to click on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.